In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Base44 to build a fully functional app from a simple text prompt. We'll be creating a currency converter to see if this platform actually works for beginners. Let's get started. I'll begin by typing my request into the main prompt box. Create a fully functional currency converter tool interface. Include an input number box, a drop-down menu selector for USD to EUR, and a big output text field showing the converted result. Once I've entered that, I'll toggle the plan switch and hit the arrow to start the build. Now the AI starts thinking and building the idea. It's laying out a sleek design with features like real-time conversion and a mobile responsive layout. Once the Lumina Exchange app is ready, I'll click to open it. The resulting interface is clean and professional, featuring a prominent currency converter header and intuitive input fields. Base44 successfully generated a dynamic tool that pulls real-time exchange rates, providing a polished user experience with minimal effort. I'll test it out by selecting British pounds and then switching back to euros. Let's try converting $100. I'll type 100 into the amount field and click Convert. It works perfectly, showing 85 euros. I'll even try a larger amount, like $1,000, and the conversion updates instantly to 860 euros. Finally, I'll click Publish at the top right, set the visibility to public, and deploy the app. Base44 gives me a live URL that I can copy and share. It's that easy to go from an idea to a live working application. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.